But I'm going to do the greatest stunt in the world, right? And, well, not the greatest. My name's called Owen Archer, and if you like this video, good for you. Let's go. Okay, this is my house. And that was this is my stepmom that's picking up, right? And, well, I'll show you. Right. Alright, I'm going to do a backflip. I've never done it before, right? So, if I do it, right? Well, by the way, don't try this at home, right? Because I'm a trained professional. Okay, I'm not. Well, and I can do front flips, look. I can do a side flip, like that, and I can obviously do. Right? So, by the way, don't try any of these at home. And, by the way, right? And if you do it, don't blame it on me.